This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. A civil danger warning has been issued for the entire state of Toledo. As you all know, the local county has been officially off limits since early November last year due to the entire Hallows terror incident. It is also off limits due to the massive mist that never went away. Please listen carefully to what we are about to say. The mist that consumed the entire county is experiencing anomalies. The mist has started to turn more darker than it was, orange clouds appearing from above, and some witnesses claim to have heard voices of people that should have been dead coming from the mist, while red eyes would stare at them. Please do not enter the mist. You will never return. We are still unsure as to what happened to Hallows Terror, as 1 week after Halloween he vanished. Only some of the pumpkin creatures remained. We advise everyone who resides next to the local county to be vigilant of any suspicious activities. We will be working with the Anomaly Research Facility staff to investigate these anomalies before it's too late. This is all for now. Please stay calm and do not panic. This warning has been issued by the Toledo State Police Department. This is a reminder of the previous civil danger warning issued on October 11, 2025. We have some updates regarding the strange mist anomalies. Please pay close attention. The mist is still experiencing the same anomalies in these past couple of days, with an exception. Some guards that are at the main barricade points have heard banging, as if someone or something is trying to break through it. We have also received very worrying reports. Some citizens who are neighboring the local county have reported random pumpkins appearing overnight in random areas. Please do not panic. Some of these may be Halloween decorations or people trying to scare you. You can tell if it's one of those pumpkins by its zombie face or unknown red veins. If you see pumpkins like this, then immediately call the Toledo Police Department or the Anomaly Research Facility and leave the area until support arrives. We are trying to prevent what happened last year. Please remain highly vigilant at this current time. Always report something suspicious. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening. This warning has been issued by the Caligo State Police Department. This is a reminder of the previous civil danger warning issued on October 15, 2025. We have some updates regarding the ongoing anomalies that are happening in some counties. Please pay close attention, it might save your life. The barricade that was placed around the local county has fallen. The mist has started to expand into neighboring counties. The pumpkin creatures have also spread across other counties that are close to the local county, and multiple people have also reported more zombie-like pumpkins appearing out of nothing. Please do not panic. If you see one of these creatures, do not approach it, do not reason with it. You may use anything for self-defense or call your local law enforcement. If we are unsuccessful at containing these creatures, then we will have to issue an evacuation. For now, stay vigilant. Lock your doors and windows as soon as you arrive to your home. If you see pumpkins with a zombie-like face, call the Anomaly Research Facility. You do not need to evacuate yet, but if you feel unsafe, you may leave. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening. This warning has been issued by the Caligo State Police Department. This is an immediate evacuation notice to anyone living 10 miles from the local county. Please do not panic. The mist is expanding fast. Anyone who resides within a 10-mile radius of a local county must evacuate. The military will be providing support with evacuation. Head to the nearest evacuation site. Take only the most important items with you. There you will be taken by a special vehicle to the other side of the state. Those who cannot evacuate and are trapped need to contact the Anomaly Research Facility. They will personally evacuate you from the area. Do not go on your own. We understand that this is really a lot to take in, but we need everyone to cooperate in order to survive.
We do not know what horrors were happening in the local county ever since Hallows terror took over.
We still do not know what happens to the people who enter into the mist without any support.
They were never seen again.
If you do not evacuate within 48 hours,
you might be considered deceased.
If you wish to not evacuate, then lock your doors and windows and move to an underground shelter for better protection. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and good luck. This warning has been issued by the Toledo State Police Department. A new civil danger warning has been issued for the entire state of Toledo. We have updates regarding the ongoing situation. An unknown account has posted this image on almost every website. The image was posted from a device located in the center of a local county. However, we do not know if this is a message from Hallows Terror himself. But we believe that this is real due to recent events that have been happening. Please do not panic. Hallows Terror will probably try to take over the entire state first before taking over the world. We will try our best to defend our beautiful country, but you can also join the fight. All you need is a simple gun training. We will give you detailed instructions for where to go and what to do soon. However, if you wish to not join us, then move to the other side of the country to maximize your chances of survival. We are unsure if we can do this even with a backup of the military. We are sorry to tell you this, but you have to prepare for the worst outcome. We wish good luck to everyone who want to keep their families safe, and good luck to those who will fight along with us. This is all for now. We will update you soon. This warning has been issued by the Toledo State Police Department. This is an update to the civil danger warning issued on October 29, 2025. The invasion has started. Hallows Terror has managed to create massive hordes of pumpkin creatures. We have estimated them to be around 1 million, but there could be more. The first wave has started right at midnight. We recommend everyone who are watching this broadcast to run away, as the mist is expanding rapidly. If your home has been already surrounded with a mist, do not exit your only shelter. Lock your doors and windows. Make sure that the mist won't enter inside. If you are already surrounded by the mist, do not call the Anomaly Research Facility anymore, as they cannot assist you now. No one can. We are sorry, but we are barely holding them off, but they keep pushing us further and further. There is too many of them. If you are still not surrounded by the mist, we highly recommend leaving the state until further notice. If you see any zombie-like pumpkins appearing on the ground, burn them on sight if possible. If you can't burn them, then destroy them with any means necessary. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and good luck, as you'll need it.